Hi everyone, my name is Matthew Russo. I'm from the SOC team here at Barracuda XDR, and today I'm excited to present to you our threat simulation for server security. Our customers can follow the steps outlined in this guide to see how Barracuda XDR helps detect threats targeting servers. First, let's talk a little bit about what Barracuda XDR server security is and some use cases. Server security ingests logs from Windows or Linux servers within your environment to allow Barracuda XDR to monitor the machines hosting your most critical services and applications, including unauthorized privilege escalation, remote PowerShell execution, suspicious RDP connections, and more. And some of the common use cases are brute force attempts, user added to high-risk security groups, backup of master key attempts, suspicious RPC spawned, password spray attempts, UAC bypass using Windows Event Viewer are just some of those use cases. For the purpose of this video, let's go ahead and do a threat simulation for the use case user added to high-risk security group for Windows. In nearly all cybersecurity incidents, threat actors will attempt to escalate their privileges to the administrator level so that they can easily execute their attack. Therefore, detecting when a user is added to a security group is crucial in identifying malicious activity. Okay, so we are here on our domain controller, our test one in our environment. And first off, to start off this, we are going to go to the top right of the screen and we're going to go over to tools. And then from there, we're going to go to Active Directory users and computers. Alrighty, and then we're going to go over to the users object. In this case, we're using user threat sim. And we're going to go to new. And we're going to go to user. And then from here, you're just going to input a user information. In this case, I'm just doing test user for the full name and also for the user login name as well. And then here, you're going to create a password for this account. So I'm going to go ahead and create that. All right, and then we're going to confirm this is all the correct information. And we're good. So we're going to go ahead and click finish. And now we have our test user for the server security threat simulation. So now we're going to go ahead and right click the test user. And we're going to go to properties. And now we're going to go to member of in the top left. And then from here, we're going to add the user to a security group. So we're going to click add. And then for this case, I'm going to use the administrators group. And then we're going to go ahead and check that name. Okay, good. And then we can click OK. All right, so we're all set up with that now. And then we're going to go down to the bottom and we're going to click apply. And we're going to click OK. And now our test user is now successfully added to an administrator group. Now let's transition over to the customer security dashboard to see what this alert looks like. Okay, so now we are on the customer security dashboard here, and it looks like we received our alert for the user added to a high-risk security enabled group, which is good. That came through. So now if we go ahead and actually click on it, we get all the information about the event. So we have, of course, our ticket ID, we have the subject of the ticket, and then we have a little bit more information about the actual event itself. So for example, the account, the source IP address, and it looks like the test user was added, which is good. That was the correct one. And of course, at the bottom, we have our raw event log for the actual event that occurred. All right, this concludes our Barracuda XDR threat simulation for server security. Thank you very much for watching. Any of our users are more than welcome to follow these steps to test our server security measures, and have a great rest of your day.